Here's a 2-1. There's a drive. Was there any doubt? Fives in October with a 3-run home run. The 1-2 coming from Thompson. And Ohtani, torches one, tosses the bat, and watches it fly. Shohei Ohtani breaks the tie with a 3-run bomb because of course.
みんなが好きな方をコメント欄で教えてね。そしてチャンネル登録して第2弾、第3弾をお見逃しなく。